Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt.
Yeah.
We got quite the pressure up here, people. No lack of water pressure here. It's not like the apartment, my friends.
So much.
Out here trying to get this rainbow bullseye rinsed out.
I forgot how much the black bleeds.
Yeah, and that bluebird too is also one that really carries, and also in the water, like makes the water real dark. Real deep colored dye.
Looks like it's not so bad. It also rinses out a lot. I was afraid the black might cover the rainbow.
Yeah.
It looks like it might have on the back side where it pooled a little bit on the bottom.
Doesn't look too bad though.
No,
It's pretty good.
no, not at all. And it rinses out pretty good too. So I love it when it still has white in it as well.
A little bit of gradient to it.
Exactly.
Can't ask for much more than that.
I think I am pretty much running clear. So let me turn that sucker off.
To the inside.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Excuse me, kitty.
Meow. Hey, Mrs. Floppers.
Okay.
Got it inside now with the warm water. Let's go ahead and get it unbandaged.
Let's go. Nice.
Yeah.
Noise.
That's what I did, She was upset because I wouldn't let her go outside earlier because there was a hawk out there and I didn't want her to get picked up.
That hawk could definitely pick her little self up.
I know.
She looks like she's big, but she's just real furry.
She doesn't weigh but like 5 pounds.
I know, if that. We should weigh her one day.
I think she weighs 7 pounds, but she doesn't look like she weighs much. She's pretty tiny.
She is just checking out the world. Checking out the world around her. Like the curious little cat she is.
Look at all that. That's really green in there too.
I'm telling you.
We sometimes get worried with dark colors that it'll, take over. Try to go a little bit lighter on this one. This is going to work out pretty good.
Luckily, both of the shirts we did this weekend have black in it, so we don't have to worry about the color bleeding into another shirt.
That's nice.
Still got some black somewhere. I think it's in the middle.
Yeah, the middle one is pretty intense. And it was folded up the tightest too.
Got blue coming out somewhere. Okay.
Let's see what we got.
There we go. Sweet.
Ooh, look at that.
Sweet.
Nice.
I like
nice
it.
deep color tie-dye.
Like I said, I like it.
Blend of color.
I like it when it has enough white that you can see that it's like a rainbow.
Yep.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful striation. Beautiful color. Nice dark center bullseye. Look at that. Good amount of white still present. Didn't want it to be completely colored out. Sometimes we do color these all the way, but this one she wanted some white left and it came out perfect. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. Alrighty folks. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.